Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of trading and investing strategies. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most talked about topics in the trading community, ICT concepts and smart money trading for beginners. If you're new to trading or looking to level up your game, this video is perfect for you. Smart money trading is all about emulating the strategies of seasoned professionals who consistently outperform the market. These smart money traders use advanced tools and techniques to stay ahead of the game. One of the key concepts they use is the ICT, Inside Candle Tail Indicator. The ICT indicator is designed to identify potential reversals and trending opportunities in the market. It's based on a simple yet effective idea, a small tail within a larger candle. By analyzing the tail's length and direction, traders can make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. The ICT indicator is particularly useful for identifying potential reversals in